I want to discuss about the chapter percentage. আমি শতকরা চ্যাপ্টার নিয়ে আমি আলোচনা করিব। Try to understand the question in first question. The first question, try to follow the question properly. তুমি তো ভালোভাবে কোয়েকশনটা পড়বাই। প্রথম কোয়েকশনের মধ্যে হলো টোটাল মার্ক 50, মোট নম্বর obtain mark 22. To find percentage of mark, obtain mark into 100 divided by total mark. Obtain mark 22 into 100 divided by total mark 50. This cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 to the 10. 22 into 2% equal to 44%. This is the solution of question number 1. Total mark 50, obtain mark 22, percentage of mark, obtain mark into 100 divided by total mark. So this is the ultimate solution of question number 1. In question number 2, total mark 260. Try to follow the question properly. Question tare tumi ten bala kuri poribai. Total mark 260, obtain mark 991, percentage of mark, obtain mark into 100 divided by total mark. Obtain mark 91 into 100 divided by total mark 260. 0 cancel. 13 divided this is 2. 13 divided this is 7. 2 divided 1. 2 divided 5. 7 5s are 35%. This is the solution of question number 2. Question number 3. Total student 140. Number of boy 98. Percentage of boy. Number of boy into 100 divided by total student. Number of boy 98 into 100, total student 140. 0 cancel. 2 cancel this is 7. 2 this is 5. 98 into 5 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 14s are 98. Equal to 14 into 5 equal to 70%. Total student, number of boy, percentage of boy, number of boy into 100 divided by total student. Simplification, we got 70%. Question number 4, total student 200, number of girls 80, percentage of girls, number of girls into 100 divided by total student. Number of girls will 80 into 100 divided by total student 200. 0 cancel. 80 divided by 2 equal to 40%. This is the solution of question number 4. Total student, number of girls, percentage of girls will number of girls into 100 divided by total student. Ultimate solution is 40%. Number 5, total population 24,000. Number of men 1,440. Percentage of men, number of men into 100 divided by total population. So number of men 13,440 into 100 divided by total population 24,000. 0 cancel. 1344 divided by 24. 4 divided 6. 4 3 12, 4 3 are 12, 1 14, 4 3 are 12, 2 24, 4 6 are 24. 336 divided by 6. 60 divided by 1, 60 divided by 6 are 30, 3, 36, 6 is 36, equal to 56%. Total population, number of men, percentage of men. Number of men into 100 divided by total population. After simplification, we got 56%. Number 6, total population 24,560. Number of women 11,052. Percentage of women. Percentage of women, number of women into 100 divided by total population. Number of women 11052 into 100 divided by total population 24560. Cancelling 0. Cancel, this is by 2 to the, when we divide by 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 2 are 4, 1, 16, 2 8 are 16. To the divide more, 2 3 are, to the divide more 11 there. To the 5 the divide formula get 10 the divide formula to the, this is 5. This is 5. इधर हमें 4 the divide formula 4 3 are 12, दुईटा से 0, 4 7 are 28. इधर 4 the divide formula 4 2 are 8, 30, 4 7 are 28, 2 25, 4 6 are 24, 1, I look at 12, 4 3 are 12. এখন আমার রয়েছে দেখা যায় 2 7 6 3 into 5 divided by 307. 307 directly not possible, so it is divide. আমি divide করি যদি 307 রে 7 দিয়ে যদি 2763 রে ডিভাইড করি 9 9 7 are 63 and 9 3 are 27. So this is divided by this, we get 9. 9 into 5 equal to 45%. যখন আমরা কমপ্লেক্স সিম্পলিফিকেশনে পড়ে যাইমু তখন আমরা এটা ডাইরেক্টলি ডিভাইড করবো। ডাইরেক্টলি ডিভাইড করছি আমি 307 দিয়া, so it is 9 9 5 are 45%. Follow the question 6 properly. On simplification 0 cancel, this is divided by 2 5, this is divided by 2 1228, this is divided by 4 2763, this is divided by 4, we get 307. Now 2763 to 5 divided by 307. 307, it is not possible, so I divide 307 directly. 2763, 9 9 7 are 63, 9 3 are 27. So when we cancel 307 by 2763, then we get 9. 9 into 5 equal to 45%. This is the solution of question number. In question number 7, total broadcast 7,000 72,400. Number of winner boot Jen Jitison winner boot got 43,440. Percentage of winner boot, number of winner boot into 100 divided by total boot cast. Number of winner boot, look here, 4 3 4 4 0 into 100 divided by total boot cast 70,400. 0 0 cancel. 4 3 4 4 0 divided by 724. This is divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 32. 4 is 32. 4 ones are 4. This is divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. We take 2 digits. Here it is 0. 4 is 32. Plus 2 24. 4 6 are 24. In 10 0. 108 10860 divided by 181. So cancellation is not possible. You divide directly 181 10860 10860 directly 6 6 ones are 6 6 is 48 plus 4 6 ones are 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0 is there, 0 is there. Now when we cancel this, we get 60%. So percentage of winner boot is 60%. Total boot cast, number of winner boot, percentage of winner boot. Percentage of winner boot, number of winner boot into 100 divided by total boot cast. On simplification, we get 60%. How we simplify? Attention clearly. When cancellation directly is not possible, then we divide it directly. This is the method how to solve in the question in the examination hall. You face such types of problem in the examination hall. If you face, then overcome this in this way. এইভাবে তুমি এটা করা লাগবো। Number 8 total broadcast 42,500. Number of vote got by defeated candidate 17,000. Find the percentage of vote got by defeated candidate. Percentage of defeated vote, number of defeated vote into 100 divided by total vote cast. 17,000 into 100 divided by total vote cast 42,500. 0 0 0 0 is cancelled. 17,000 divided by 425 divided by 5. 5 is 40. 5 is 25 divided by 5. 5 3 is 15. 22. 15 2 20. 5 4 is 20. 0 0 3 4 0 0 divided by 85 divided by 5. 17 5s are 85, divide by 5, 5 6 are 30, 4, 5 8s are 40, 0. 680 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 fours are 68, equal to 40%. This is the solution of question number 8. Total vote cast. Number of votes got by defeated candidate 17,000. Percentage of defeated vote. Number of defeated votes into 100 divided by total vote cast. Solution, you get 40%. Follow the simplification. A simplification to follow by and try to solve yourself. Total income 36,000. Expenditure মানে যেগুলো খরচ করিলাই, this is called expenditure. মান্থলি ইনকাম করার পরে কিছু পয়সা খরচ করবো, কিছু পয়সা রাখি দিব, রাখবো যেটা এটা নাম হইব সেভিং, আর যেটা খরচ করে লইব এটার নাম হইল এক্সপেন্ডিচার। পার্সেন্টেজ অফ এক্সপেন্ডিচার ইন্টু 100 ডিভাইড বাই টোটাল income divided by total income. Expenditure 25920 into 100 divided by total income 36,000. 0 0 0 0 0 0 cancel. 2592 divided by 36. This is divided by 9, we get 4. This is divided by 9, 9 2s are 18, below 7, 79. 8 9 are 72, below 7, 72, 8 9 are 72. 288 divided by 4, 41, 4 7 are 28, 4 2s are 8. This is 72%. Percentage of expenditure 72%. Total income, expenditure, percentage of expenditure into 100 divided by total income. Solution, we get 72%. Question number 10. Total income 48,500. Saving মানে হইল গিয়া টোটাল ইনকাম করার পরে আমার মাসও খরচ করিয়া যে পয়সা থাকি যাইব, রিমেনিং মানি আফটার এক্সপেন্ডিচার ইজ কল্ড সেভিং হইল গিয়া রিমেনিং মানি আফটার এক্সপেন্ডিচার। So saving percentage, saving into 100 divided by total income. Saving 12125 into 100 divided by total income 48,500. 0 cancel. Remaining 12125 divided by 485. Divide this is by 5. 5 9 are 45. 3 35. 5 7 are 35. This is divided by 5 2 are 10, 21. 5 4s are 21, 1, 12, 5 2s are 10, 2, 25, 5 5s are 25. So this is 2 4, 2 4, 2 5 divided by 97. 97 is a prime number, so it is not possible to calculate. In that situation, you divide directly 2 4 2 5. 2 4 2 5 divide directly 2 equal to 194. 194 हो गया 12 minus 4 8 and this is 13. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. Now this is 5. This is divided 5. 5 7s are 35. 3. 5 9s are 45 plus 3, 48. So when this cancellation, we get 25. This is 25 cancellation. This is get 25. So 1 2 4 2 5 divided by 97. This is divided by 25. Percentage of saving is 25%. Total income, saving, percentage of saving into 100 divided by total income. Saving into 100 divided by total income. 0 0 cancel. 0 0 cancel. 1 2 1 2 5 1 2 1 2 5 divided by 485 divided by 5. This is 97. This is divided by 5. 2 4 2 5 2 4 2 5. Cancellation is directly not possible. So 97 into 2 194 minus 48 5 down করলাম 5 দিয়ে করলাম 485. So ultimate solution is 25%. Percentage of saving is